Oh, I'm glad you are back for more cruises. Thank you for joining us today for our popular cruise news updates. So let's get going with 3 new major stories brought to you directly from cruisehive.com. On February 26, Carnival dropped a warning for anyone sailing out of PortMiami the weekend of February the 28th to March the 1st to expect serious traffic. Now we're talking 3 big ships, Carnival Cruise Line's Carnival Horizon, sailing February the 28th on an 8-night Southern Caribbean, plus Carnival Celebration's 7-night Eastern Caribbean, and Carnival Magic's also 6-night Eastern Caribbean, both departing March the 1st. 7 ships will be in port on February the 28th, including Icon of the Seas, and 8 ships on March the 1st. Downtown Miami construction and a new terminal project breaking ground in January, and there we have it, Gridlock City. So if you want my advice, leave early, stay chill, and sign up for alerts. Vacation starts before you board. It was announced that Carnival Cruise Line is officially dropping Puerto Vallarta from its itineraries for the next few weeks due to major unrest in the region. This impacts the Carnival Panorama sailing out of Long Beach on February the 28th. The 8-night Mexican Riviera cruise was supposed to hit Puerto Vallarta, Mazatlan, La Paz, and Cabo San Lucas. But instead of stopping in Puerto Vallarta on March the 3rd, guests will now enjoy Cabo on the 3rd, with March the 6th turning into a chill stay at sea. Bonus, extra time in Mazatlan and Cabo, of course. The unrest follows the death of cartel leader Nemesio El Mencho Oseguera on February the 22nd in Tapalpa, about 105 miles from Puerto Vallarta. The US currently lists Jalisco as a Level 3 travel advisory. No return date yet, but safety always comes first. Okay, cruisers, listen up. On February the 24th, Carnival dropped an itinerary change notice for you guests, and it affects several 2027-28 sailings. If you're on Carnival Valor, the November 13th, 2027 cruise replaces Bimini with Key West. A week later, on November the 20th, sailing is fully revised to visit Roatan, Belize and Cozumel, and the January 16th, 2028 trip adjusts port times for Celebration Key. Carnival Conquest changes Celebration Key days on November the 15th, 2027 and March the 27th, 2028, plus shifts Relax Away with Half Moon Cay on April the 10th, 2028. Carnival Miracle swaps Nassau and Half Moon Cay on November the 27th, 2027. Carnival Liberty updates Cozumel on December the 12th, 2027, and Carnival Pride swaps Nassau and Half Moon Cay on January the 2nd, 2028. And that's it for me today, cruisers. My name is Paul, and all the news you require is over on cruisehive.com. Now, if anyone has any news, you can email us at newstips@cruisehive.com. Please show your support by liking our video and please subscribing to our channel. I hope you have a good day, cruisers, and I'll see you in the next video.